Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been sort of a little while since I've seen you guys. I hope you've all seen the Christmas in July series that I brought out a couple months ago, and I really hope that you guys love that. I know I heard a lot of positive feedback from people, and I'm so happy that I could inspire people, and it was a lot of fun to do. So today what I thought I would show you guys is I did a lot of projects outside this summer as well. So here's what I did. I took a lot of items that would be considered kind of junk, and what I did was I incorporated them into my landscaping and tried to make them into something beautiful, but be very creative with them. Now, I mean, like, here's the deal. I am a decorator. I am not a landscaper, so please do not judge me too hard on how my plants look. Another thing that I was able to do this year is I put in a gazebo. Now, it took a long time to get the paint colors and get everything put in and get everything the way that I wanted it to. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. So I put together this mini tour of what I've done outside. I hope you guys all enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next video where I will be giving you a fall tour of what I've done this year in my home. And don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss a single video that I have. And I know I've said it before, but Christmas is coming. I can't wait to show you guys what I have planned. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye guys.